Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, Teacher Jeanette.
How are you this morning?
We are fine, thank you, and you.
I am fine too. So we are now on our English subject, and we are going to have a new lesson for this morning. So are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Why are we excited? Because we will gain another learnings and we will learn more. Diba? Are you excited to learn more?
Yes.
Okay, so this morning class, we are going to have a new topic for our English subject. Okay, let me read the learning competency. So, compose clear and coherent sentences using appropriate grammatical structure, subject, verb, agreement, kinds of adjective, subordinate and coordinate conjunctions, adverb of intensity, and adverb of frequency. Now, I will let you read the lesson or the learning objective for this morning. Everybody read.
Identify clear and coherent sentences using grammatical structure, adverb of frequency, and adverb of intensity.
Okay, so before we will start, let us have first our Energizer song, and everybody is requested to stand to have it. One, two, three. And go.
Love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, oh, oh, wonderful love. Higher than the sky, deeper than the ocean, wider than the universe, oh, oh, wonderful love. The love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, oh, oh, wonderful love. Higher than the sky, deeper than the ocean, wider than the universe, oh, oh, wonderful love. Oh, oh, wonderful love. Oh, oh, wonderful love.
Okay. Thank you very much for participating. So, what is the song all about? Please sit down. What is the song all about? Okay, do you love Jesus? Okay,
Yes.
how can we show that we love Jesus? By by being kind to our teachers and our classmates. Okay, are you kind with your classmates and teachers?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, so I will have a quick review for the topic that we have discussed. So, what topic did we discuss last time in English? Okay. It is all about, yes, Alin. No? Stand up, Alin. It is all about subordinating. And then, the other one is, David, isa to isa? Okay, coordinating conjunction. So, okay, subordinating and coordinating conjunction. So, can you give me an example of subordinating conjunctions? David. Okay, you can get your notebook. Get your notebook. Okay, subordinating conjunctions are, ano sa to? Okay, subordinating conjunction tells time. So when, whenever. Sa to, David? Okay, when, wherever. Okay, we have while, once. Okay, coordinating conjunction. Yes, RJ. Coordinating.
Conjunction, also called coordinate conjunction, in a conjunction that is used to connect words.
Okay, examples of coordinating conjunctions are nor, for, or, yet, so, and, oh, but. Okay, those are examples of coordinating conjunction. So, I have here a drill. Okay, arrange the following letters to get the correct answer. For number one, kindly read the clue. Everybody read. Go.
A word that improves the technique is a verb which relates to place, time,
Circumstances. What is the answer? Adverb. Very good. Next, we have the. Okay, so nod. Number two, it is known
as the adverb of time.
Okay, what is the answer?
Frequency.
Frequency. Next, number three.
Adverb that shows us about the grade upon anticipating an action or another adverb.
What is the answer?
Intensity.
Very good. Intensity. Next, we have the motivation class. So I am going to give you two pictures. Then you are going to give me the three differences between the two pictures that I will show you. Okay? So we have picture number one and picture number two. Okay, look at first the picture before we will answer and observe. Okay, Johan, what is the first difference that you have observed in our picture? The hair. Very good. So now, si RJ. The meat. Okay? Ang kurma sa meat. Ang picture number one lang is sa picture number two. Next, we have the... Ano sa paman? Yes. Alin? Ano sa to'y sunod? John Mark. Very good. That's spatula. Lahi ang kurma ni picture number one sa picture number two. Okay, so here is the answer to verify. So all your answers are correct. Clap hands. Very good. Okay, next we have the second picture. What is on the second picture?
Clock.
Okay, clock. If you have seen a clock, okay, what does it tells you?
It's lunchtime.
Okay, tells us when it is lunchtime. What else?
Recess.
When it is recess or snacks, and it is home time na kuno, pauli na ba kuno? Okay, so why is a clock important? What do you think is, or why is a clock important? Ano importante man ang clock? Ha? Devin? Because? Okay, because it tells us the time, di ba? When we don't know the time, can we do our daily activities? Yes or no?
No.
No, we cannot accommodate all those activities because we don't know the time and we are not conscious of the time. Okay, next we have the third picture. What's on the third picture?
Boy
A boy running. Okay, how can you describe the boy running? How does the boy runs? Very fast. Very good. Okay, next we have the... So what do you think, class, is our lesson for today? What is our lesson for today? Huh? Who can write on the board? Wala? Okay, it is all about the... Kasama itong inyong gitan ang ganyan ng mga drill. Ano sama ito sila about?
adverb.
Yes, RJ? Adverb of? Hindi ko yan. Adverb of? And? Again, what is our topic for today?
Adverb of frequency. Adverb of intensity.
Very good. The adverb of frequency and adverb of intensity. Okay, so now, what is an adverb? We will know first what is an adverb before we proceed. So, two types of adverbs. So everybody read, what is an adverb?
An adverb describes a verb, an object, or another adverb, and answers the question below.
Okay, what are those questions?
How
How often, when, where. So what are the examples of an adverb? We have the, basahan ninyo again, easily, happily,
lovely, quickly, quietly, sadly, silently, slowly, always, every day, frequently, never, often, once, seldom, sometimes, after, before, early, now, since,
soon, today,
yesterday, away, everywhere, here, home, inside, there, outside, there.
Okay, very good, children. Next, we have the... So, what is an adverb of frequency? Can you read, Arjun? What is an adverb of frequency?
It is an adverb that can change of
Or quality? Qualify the meaning of a sentence by telling us how often.
of how quickly something happens.
Okay.
It is also known as adverb of time.
Okay, so what is the other term for the adverb of frequency? It is known as the adverb of time. Okay, so can you give me or read the sentences on the television page? So each sentence contains an example of an adverb of frequency. The examples are italized for easy identification. Can you read for number 1, Johan? Incubator.
turns each egg early.
Okay, what is the italized word there? Hourly. Okay, number 2, RJ.
We take a vacation at last once annually.
So, ang sa may adverb of frequency, ana?
Annually.
Annually. Number 3, Alin.
I usually shop for groceries and Saturday mornings.
Okay, ang sa may adverb of time, ana?
Usually.
Usually. Okay, number 4, Devin.
He is often late
For
work.
Okay, what is the adverb of time?
Often.
Often. Number 5, Michael. Lingkod. We seldom, John. We seldom see John. Ano sa may adverb of frequency ana sa sentence? Seldom. Okay, number 6. Shelwin. My dentist. I should floss twice daily. Okay, what is the adverb of frequency there? Daily. Okay, next we have the adverb of, intensity. Okay, everybody read what is an adverb of intensity.
Will show us about the degree of an objective, an action, or other adverb. Here are some common examples of adverb of intensity.
Okay, we have the extremely, sunod.
Quiet, just, almost, very.
Okay, for example, can you read the sentence for extremely, babe? Oh, Alin? The weather?
The weather was extremely bad.
Okay, kana sa quiet, si RJ.
The book is quite interesting.
Oh, just, David.
The march has just started.
Okay, sunod, Arjun. Almost.
He is almost finished.
Okay, next, sa very, si Janmar. Very, kana tinalasan. Tindog, ginuupo. She is talking very fast. Okay. So now, here is our exercises. So my instruction is, give the adverb used in each sentence and identify the underlined word if it is an adverb of frequency and adverb of intensity. To answer for number 1, see RJ.
He always does his homework.
Okay, ang sa adverb gigamit ang anak. Always. Okay, is it a frequency or intensity? Very good. Number 2, si Allen.
He usually complete the work on time.
Okay, they usually complete the work on time. Frequency, intensity. Intensity. Okay, number 3, David. I often
watch movies on time.
What's the answer? Frequency. Very good. John Mark. Number 4.
The temperature in this room is extremely high.
Okay, extremely. Intensity. Okay, next. Number 5. Okay, RJ.
He plays that good.
Frequency, intensity. Ano sa adverb, anak? What is the adverb being used in a sentence? Beautifully. Ano sa man na si beautifully? Frequency or intensity? Intensity. Okay, next. Number 6, Michael. He runs quickly. Okay, the word is, the adverb there is, ano sa adverb, anak, Michael? Quickly. Intensity. Very good si Michael. Next, Shelwin. Cut loudly her attention. Okay, what is the adverb? Loudly. And some intensity or frequency? Intensity. Very good. Next, number 8. Number 8, Johan. Read an answer. He greedily. Ano sa man ang greedily? Frequency or intensity? Very good. Intensity. Okay. So, money ang ato ang hubag. Now, we will have the group activity. Okay. So, I will let you count 1, 2. 1 or 2. Meaning we have only 2 groups. Okay, si group number 1 or si group number 2. Okay, I will start with John Mark. Can you John Mark? 1, One. Two. One. Okay, all group 1, all group 2. But listen first for that one, ha? Instruction. Okay. So group number 1, listen. Group number 1 will write the exact adverb of frequency needed for each item. Kung unsay ato ang grupo mauna to. Okay, pila mo tanan karon 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6 ari, 6 ari. Ha? Okay. So, select a leader first. Kinsay leader ninyo ani? Alin? Kalin? Riven. Okay. Group number 1 is what we call the frequency group. Kari mo intensity group. For group number 1, write the exact adverb of frequency needed for each item. Write the word of the correct answer. So, that ay choices. Then, medyo ang isuwat ang ana. Then, sa group number 2, complete the given sentences by filling an appropriate adverb of intensity to form a clear and coherent sentences. So I have prepared a manila paper for you to use for your activity. All you have to do is answer. Okay? Here is for group number... Yan is group number 2. Ito ang grupo Devin. Okay, isa is group number 1. Okay, timer. I will give only 5 minutes for the activity. Timer starts now. There are choices ninyo ari group 1 na. Ayaw na na. There are choices ninyo group 1. There are choices sa group 1. Okay, pasabot-sabot. Sige na. Ako kung diretso na. Ang sa may kikalibugan, kaya naman inyong choices ari. There are choices ari. Muna inyong number 1, mo ko ang number 2. Ang inyong na sa group 2 na ara sa Manila Paper. Sa Manila group 2. Adira ang group 2. Ang group 1 di ara. Ang group 1 di ara ang choices. So, ang i-flash. Dili ara sa number 1. Ang group 2 na ara sa Manila Paper. No need to look at the monitor. Dali. Ako yung operate ari sa kuwan. Number 2 na. Okay na. Number 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4 na.
It's never English.
Ha? Okay. Process of elimination na tanawan ng kuwan. Okay.
Number 4 is
you're done? Okay. So, first group to report the leader. The leader ang kuha na ni. Okay. So, hali. Leader. Basta man ang kuha na ni. Okay, first group. Here is the Ito sa sit down sa nilid. Okay. Here is the word. Word for the frequency group. Number 1. Okay, the answer is correct. Number 2. Jared. Very good. The answer is correct.
Do you often travel American?
Okay, the answer is correct. Okay, the score for the group 1 is 4/4. Clap hands for the group 1. 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have the group number 2. Bebe. Water.
Is absolutely necessary for plants to grow.
Sunod, number 2.
I am almost halfway from completing my dream project.
Okay, the answer for number 2 is awfully. I am awfully halfway from completing my dream project. Number 3. Sunod. He
He was tired.
almost tired after the journey. So number 4.
The principal tells the teacher
Okay, they have, bilang nilang mistake. They have 2. So, 2/4. Okay, 2/4. The winner is the group 1. Clap hands for the group 1. Okay, then clap hands for yourself that you are doing a great job. Pakpak Next, we will have the analysis. So, how did you find the activity? Unsa may injuhang na-learn sa activity? Unsa man, gid-isuran ra bata? Is it the activity is too difficult, too easy? Unsa may gibati na to? You can answer. Arjon. Easy. Why? The activity is so easy kuno matud Arjon. Why? Because we have a team work. Very good. The purpose for the group activity is having our team work. Not only one idea, but the idea of the whole group. Okay. So, the leader will have to explain. Nasa man itong mga leaders? Si Allen o si Devin mag-explain sa ilahang nasabtan o nahitabo sa ilang grupo. For group number 1, sige, Allen. For group number 1, ano sa may nag-ibuhat? May participate ba sila tanan? Ihatag ba sila idea tanan? Okay, for group number 1, all the members participate and isumay ko yan. All the members participate and give their own idea. Okay, for group number 2, David, ano sa may kasulti sa group number 2? Group 2, members, saman. Lisuran ba? Find difficult in the activity or saman. Sinabangay ba? Okay, difficult and the given activity. Yet, nasa magiging mo sa imong members, i-compare pa sila. Yet, They participated the said activity. Okay, clap hands for all of you. You are doing a great job. Clap hands. In every game na the winner na po yung loser. Pero dili ingon nga kanang loser, dili na si Daog sunod, di ba? It would be karon ra nga game na sila napil. Okay. Next. So, generalization. What is an adverb? Okay, give me your idea what is an adverb. Okay. So, ito. A word that, ansa may ito nasabtan? Okay. Sige, tagain na lang for example sa adverb na ito nabasahan ganina. Ansa may word nga nagtatak ato? How. Ansa to? The answer sa questions nga. How often, ansa pa to? Where of? However. So an adverb is a word that describes an adjective, a verb, and another adverb. And it answers the questions. Ansa lang ito? How often, where, and why, and where? Of what? Okay. So how often, where, what, of, what, so to, how often, sunod, what, where. So, unsa may examples na hindi na yung dumanag ko. Ito ang mga words nga nabasa na to. Easily, isa pa man? Ha? Okay, extremely, what else? Hopefully, loudly, annually, sadly, happily, quietly, yesterday, annually, nana, di ba? Okay. So, naaba mo yung nasabtan sa adverb. Okay, on your own idea, what is an adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency. And sa to, what is the another name for adverb of frequency? What's another name for adverb of frequency, David? It is known as the? Very good. It is known as the adverb of time. Can you give me an example of an adverb of time? Nag-tell si Joe time. Always. Very good. Sa paman? Uy. Time. Annually. Sunod. Yesterday. Sunod. Hourly. Very good. Yesterday. Next year. Next month. Sa paman? Today. Every hour. Diba? Okay. Sunod. What is an adverb of intensity in your own idea? Unsa man ang adverb of intensity? Unsa ang adverb of intensity be on your own idea? It is, saman, it describes the degree of the action of an adverb or a verb. Okay, give me an example. Intensity. Para itong laki nga bata nga ni dagan. Ginsan sa pagdagan? Fastly. Diba? So, what example of adverb of intensity? Another example. Extremely. Very good. Just. What else? Very. What else? Almost. Isa pa. Kasi ka, tayo ko na. Completely. Ora ba to? Living. Hopefully. Wana? Absolutely. What else? Sus na sa board. Sadly. Happily. Awfully. So those are examples of, ano sa ganito sila? Examples of adverb of intensity. Ano sa ganito yung other name for adverb of frequency? Adverb of time. Okay. Now, application. Read the following sentences and identify if it is an adverb of frequency and adverb of intensity. Number 1, read and answer. For number 1, so it is integrated with the subjects AP, Aralpan, Science, and ESP. By the way, for our demo lesson. So, English is now integrated for the subject Araling Katipunan and Science and also with ESP. Can you read for number 1 question or number 1 item? Johan.
Dr. Rizal did
Execution, which is
December 30 is celebrated annually as a national holiday in the Philippines.
okay, annually, ano sa mana? Frequency or intensity? Ah? Intensity man. Ano sana? Frequency. Number 2, si RJ, basa.
The sun is absolutely hot at
10,000
10,000
Fahrenheit or 5,600 Celsius. What is the adverb there? Absolutely. Saan sa mana sa intensity or frequency?
frequency.
Intensity. Number 3, Alin. You read and answer number 3, Alin.
Routine problems is useful for solving in our daily life.
Daily. Ano sa ng daily? Frequency. Again. Ano sa ng daily? Frequency. Okay. For the evaluation, please get your notebook and your ball pen. Your English notebook and your ball pen. Okay, answer the following. My instruction is, or the direction is, identify the kind of an adverb used in each sentence and the word it modifies. So again, identify the kind of an adverb used in each sentence and the word it modifies. So example, the sentence goes like this. Mother often gives logical solution. So, sa may adverb na gigamit, ana? Often. Okay. Word modifies. Unsay describe sa word nga often. Okay? So, unsa nga action nga word na gi-modify. So, ang atang answer is gives. So, unsa man nga kind of adverb ang often? Frequency. Okay. Copy and answer. So, tuloy nyo niya, ikuan ha. Kanang often, ga-describe man si Johnny gives. So, kanang si gives, mo na yung word modified. You get me? Okay. Do it silently. Copy and answer. Any questions so far? Pwede kami bugan sa instruction? Nay, pangutana? Ha? Okay, copy the directions. So, nakabatay pangutana sa instruction? Wala. Okay. Do it silently. May pangutana, David? Identify. Klaro ra?